What's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, the best channel in the world. Welcome back to Where Fade Effects. So if you're just seeing me for the first time, welcome on board. Here at Fade Effects, we'll be giving you DIYs, cooking videos, vlogs, hairstyle. We'll just be giving you videos, gazbos. You guys know the drill. So anyway, today guys, we're going to be learning how to make an avocado and banana hair mask. Now, the reason why we're going to add avocado into this hair mask is because it contains potassium and magnesium, which helps the hair look all smooth and shiny, makes it not to break. And the reason why we're going to be using banana today in our hair mask, banana actually contains potassium, natural oils, vitamins, and every good thing that will actually soften our hair, give it moisture, and it actually prevents dandruff. So if you've not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you like, make sure you turn on your post notification, because I'm going to be giving a post notification shout out at the end of this video. So make sure you stick around from the beginning to the end, and let's get moisturizing. So guys, for today's hair mask, we're going to be using 2 overripe bananas and 1 large avocado with olive oil. Now we're going to divide our avocado into 2, and you'll find a seed inside. We're not going to use the seed to do anything, please. Just throw that seed away. And after that, we are going to be peeling our bananas. And yeah, the banana was actually more than this, but I had to eat it because why not? So after the peeling comes the blending. So right now we're going to put everything into our blender. We're going to scrape that avocado very well. We can't waste any part of it. And after that, we're going to also cut our banana inside. Guys, let's not forget our 2 spoons of olive oil. And the reason why I'm adding olive oil is because it's gonna make my hair shine and moisturize, so we have to add olive oil in it. So after blending it until it turned into a paste, I turned it into this clean white container. It was scenting. I wanted to taste it. If I'm not even going to lie, I actually did taste it because it was just scenting too much. Okay.
These beats are on fire.
So y'all, I'd already washed my hair a little bit, but I made sure not to condition it, and the reason was because I wanted to see how soft this hair mask was going to make my hair feel without the conditioner. So right now I'm going to put my hair in sections. You guys already know how I do this by hairstyle videos, so I'm going to put my hair in 4 sections to make it easy for me to apply my hair mask on it. Hair in sections, and it's time for us to apply our hair mask. As I said, I am obsessed with it. Okay, first of all, I'm just going to put it on my sections. I'm trying to get it on my roots and not just the hair alone, because what's the point of having this hair mask without putting it on your roots? And I'm going to do a little twist on it, just to really have it really sectioned and to get that avocado hair mask in when I want to deep condition it. So yeah. So guys, I was low-key struggling with the back. I don't know why, but this strand just kept entering my twist that I was trying to do. It was just so annoying. So after twisting it, I decided to put the remaining avocado hair mask on my hair. Then I used a nylon and a shower cap to deep condition it. As you can see, this is hours later, and I could not show you guys when I was tying the nylon and putting the shower cap on my hair because NEPA took lights. So that's the reason. But anyway, you guys are seeing it. So after you twist your hair, put it in a shower cap, and then you can use a nylon to deep condition it. As you can see, my hair is really soft, god, and it smelled so nice. Gosh. Anyway, I'm going to wash it out right now. Yeah, after washing my hair, it became soft, it became shiny, it was just sainting. In fact, I wish you can touch it. I'm going to be moisturizing it with TCB and shea butter. I have a full video on how to really use this to moisturize your hair, but I'm just really going to show you a little bit of it, so you can watch that video after this one, or you can click the cards upwards. Hair already in section. So after that, I am going to be tying it with a satin scarf just to keep it moisturized and to also deep condition it as I sleep, because it was late, so baby girl has to take her beauty sleep. So hope you enjoyed this video, because I know I obviously did enjoy. In fact, the hair mask was just so amazing. I love putting it on my hair. It was just scenting avocado, banana. In fact, my hair was super soft after the 2 hours of putting it. I actually love this hair mask, and I need you guys to try it too. In case if you try this hair mask, you can send me a DM on Instagram at QueenFadeOfficial. That's my personal Instagram page. Let's see how your hair mask will actually be popping. Anyway guys, I promised a post notification shout out, so let's get into that. So guys, the first person I'm going to be giving a post notification shout out to is Idolo Efeunu. Thank you so much, my darling, for being the first person to drop a comment on my last video. Actually means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Mwah. The second person I'm going to be giving a post notification shout out to is Adetunji Adeleye. Thank you so much for turning on a post notification, for dropping a comment at the last video that I made. Thank you so much. Mwah. The third person I'm going to be giving a post notification shout out to is Omo Oyikena. Thank you so much, my darling, for turning on your post notification and for also being one of the first people to drop a comment on my last video. Mwah. A fourth person I'm going to be giving a post notification shout out to is PCX Live. First of all, I love your YouTube channel. It is so amazing. Your reviews on DCs and everything are just super amazing. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for dropping a comment. It really means a lot to me. The fifth person, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the fifth person that I'm actually going to be giving a post notification shout out to is Okoro Lucy. First of all, she's my birthday mate, so this actually means a lot to me. Thank you my darling, for turning on your post notification, for dropping a comment on my last video. I love you. Mwah. And the last but not the least person that I'm going to give in a post notification shout out to is Catching Up with Didi. Thank you so much, my darling, for turning on your post notification, for dropping a comment. It really means a lot to me. Thank you. Mwah. So guys, if you also want to win a post notification shout out on my next video, just as all these people have won, then make sure you turn on your post notification. Make sure you drop a comment on this video or any new video you see. It's not only by sharing, you also have to drop a comment, y'all. Anyway guys, that's all for today. I can't wait to see you on my next video. I will be super excited to share another lit content with you guys, but make sure you share this video to your friends and your family. Guys, please share this video to your sisters, your moms, your girlfriends, whoever. This could actually help them, you know, to take care of their hair, to get this baby girl to 1,000 subscribers, yo. That's literally the goal for now, and I will see you guys next time on my next lit video. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all the support, and I'll see you later. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Love you. Peace out. Peace. Idolo Efeunu. Okay, let me go back. Okay, so the first person, Idolo. What? The first person I'm going to be giving a post notification shout out to is Idolo Efeunu. Why am I not being able to pronounce this very well? Efeunu.